Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 2.4 and today I'm going to make the face unlock test. I'm going to check how it works and if it is reliable. So let's make the first try. I'm going to check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yes, I am, and the smartphone recognizes my face. So let's start. As you can see, it works every time, but to be honest, it's really slow. I think that the same speed you can achieve when you are using Nokia 2.4, I mean 3.4, and with Nokia 5.4 it's a little bit faster, but it's slightly faster. So I can recommend you to unlock your phone with the fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone. It's definitely faster, as you can see. Just check out how it takes on the face. So yeah, definitely if you want to use the biometric settings, biometric secure, let's choose the fingerprint, because this face unlock, it's not that good in the smartphone, and I'm talking about the speed of the unlock. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.